Welcome to this video on generative AI engineering. This 5-day mastery program is designed for corporate training, covering everything from foundations and prompt engineering to RAG, AI agents, and production deployment, all illustrated with real-world examples. In this video, we explore our 5-day roadmap. We begin with foundations and LLMs, move into prompt strategy, cover embeddings and RAG, discuss AI agents and multimodal models, and conclude with evaluation, deployment, and career paths. Day 1 focuses on the foundations of large language models. We will look at what generative AI is, how it compares to traditional AI, different model types, tokens, context windows, training, and the attention mechanisms that power modern LLMs. What is generative AI? Unlike traditional software that follows fixed rules for predictable outputs, generative AI creates entirely new content based on patterns learned from training data. It moves beyond answering questions to actually generating things. Understanding the hierarchy is important. AI is the broad umbrella term. Machine learning is a subset that learns from data. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning using neural networks, and generative AI is the latest advancement in this field. Generative AI models come in many types, including text generation for content and code, image models for art and mockups, audio models for voice and music, and video models for creating dynamic visual content. Tokens are how AI processes text, breaking words into smaller pieces. The context window represents the AI's short-term memory capacity. Keep in mind that processing more tokens generally requires more computation and higher costs. Training is a costly process where a model learns from vast datasets over long periods. Inference, however, is the exam time phase, where the model applies its learned knowledge to generate immediate answers to your specific prompts. Transformers are the architectural base of modern LLMs. The attention mechanism allows these models to focus on the most relevant words in a sentence, ensuring the AI understands the full context rather than just processing words randomly. Choosing the right model depends on your specific business needs. Options like GPT offer versatility and ecosystem support. Claude excels at long documents, while LLaMA and Mistral provide open-source flexibility and cost-effectiveness. To recap our first day, we've learned that generative AI creates content, explored the nested hierarchy of AI fields, identified the role of tokens and memory, understood the importance of transformers, and compared various model choices.